up my shirt. Use a spoon to eat dessert. Even reach my books way high on the shelf. There's so many things I can do all by myself.
You must be so proud.
I am. See me pour a glass of juice. Wiggle my front tooth that's loose. Things that I can do all by myself. I can say my alphabet.
Yes, ma'am.
There's not a letter I'll forget.
No way.
I don't need help from my dad or my mother.